Find f inverse of x for the one-to-one function defined by f of x is equal to the cubed root of x plus 7. Let's start by replacing f of x with y and writing this as y is equal to the cubed root of x plus 7. Now let's interchange x and y, writing x is equal to the cubed root of y plus 7. Next, let's solve for y. We can cancel out this cubed root by cubing both sides, that is, raising both sides to the third power. That gives x to the third is equal to y plus 7, or y is equal to x to the third minus 7. And I like to write that y on the left-hand side. Just reads easier. As a last step, let's replace y with f inverse. Therefore, the inverse of the function, the cubed root of x plus 7, is x to the third minus 7.